This is the anatomy of an herbaceous peony. This is Sarah Bernhardt. This is an herbaceous peony. Peonies come in a number of different varieties. You can have an herbaceous peony, a hybrid peony, or a tree peony. Herbaceous peonies tend to have very thick petal formations like this, whereas hybrid and tree peonies tend to be a little bit more open. They're both Sarah Bernhardt peonies. This one still has its petals on. This one has lost all of its inner petals, so it gives us an opportunity to look really nice up and close and see what's going on in the plant. You can just barely see what's going on in the center. But if we take a closer look at this peony plant that has lost all of its petals, we can really see the different parts of anatomy. So I'm going to flip this over and we're going to start at the bottom. These are sepals. Sepals are modified leaves, and these are protecting your peony plant when they're in that really tight bud stage. These are also modified sepals. They're sometimes called guard petals. These petals are what you see when your bud starts hitting that marshmallow phase and it's just starting to get soft. These are protecting the beautiful petals that are tucked away inside your peony plant. Now as we look on the inside, these are anthers, these yellow pieces right here, and they're attached to filaments. Filaments are the stem that the anther is attached to. These are the pollen carrying part of your peony plant. Further inside, you can see these are the carpels, or the ovary of your plant. If your peony plant produces seeds, they'll be found right in there. And on top here are your stigmas. All of these important pieces for seed creating and creating new hybrid and different varieties of peonies are tucked away and hidden within these petals. I'm Bethy. I'm a gardening educator and the owner of Blue Acre Gardens. If this video was helpful to you, follow along for more.